like a rap god, rap god. All my people from the front to the back, Lord, back, Lord. Now who thinks their arms are long enough to slap box, slap box?
They said I rap like a robot.
So call me rap box. But for me to rap like a computer must be in my genes. Got a laptop in my back pocket, my pen will go off when I half cock. Got a fat knot from that rap profit, made a living and a killing off it. Ever since Bill Clinton was still in office, with Monica Lewinsky feeling all this nutsack. I'm an MC still as honest, but as rude and indecent as all hell syllables. Could we speed this up? It's getting kind of boring. Summer-lumma, dumma-lumma, you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, animator, rubber, so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me and it'll glue to you. Devastating more than ever, demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading, and I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I fell off, they'll be celebrating, cause another way to get them motivated. I make elevating music, you make elevator music. Oh, he's too mainstream, but that's what they do when they get jealous and confuse it. It's not hip-hop, it's pop, cause I found a hella way to fuse it. With rock, shock, rap, and dog, the one lose yourself and make them lose it. I don't know how to make songs like that, I don't know what words to use. Let me know when it occurs to you while I'm ripping any one of these verses versus you. It's curtains, I'm inadvertently hurting you. How many verses I gotta murder to prove that if you were half as nice, your songs you could sacrifice virgins to? Oh, you know, on that note, I think we're good. So, everyone can just, you know, head on home. Hey, what do you think the odds are that Morgan Freeman will hear this?
It's going down.
It's going down.
I'm yelling timber. You better move.
You better move.
You better dance.
Yeah.